Well guys, Chef Beardsley. In this video, we're going to be running the Notorious 6S V6 again. I had one run on this, nothing too crazy. It was a short little run. I did break a front arm, or a rear arm. One of those arms I broke, the front bottom here. It was just a bad front flip attempt, slammed into the ground. A couple people were like, oh, they're known to break their arms suck and blah, 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 blah. Dude, the thing fell from like 20 feet in the air on the side and kicked this back like that, so it ripped the pin off through the side. Like, I've done that on Traxxas rigs, I've done that on Lozy rigs, I've done that on what's it called, HPI stuff. Like, it happens. Like, yeah, not a big deal, easy fix. I'm pumped. I like the truck so far. Flip monster, absolute flip monster. Let's get her out and see how she does. Alright, so my controller camera, because I normally run a controller camera, it's getting a card read error, so hopefully the footage I got of that earlier is still okay. So hopefully you guys are in frame. This thing is crazy. You gotta learn trigger control with this. You can't just mash on it, which I like, because it's borderline uncontrollable, but controllable at the same time. It just takes discipline. Ooh. That thing like bunny hops. It's insane. And this is bone stock. I really don't think it needs anything. Except a better driver. That's insane. Ooh. I wonder if we broke anything on that one. It's the whole thing. I'm working on this run up. I'm gonna have to smooth it out a little bit, and I even might make like a paint line to follow, so you can kind of, because hitting it from the side like that is kind of hard to line up, especially with the bumps going back and forth. But when you hit it right, man, it's legit. It might have came unplugged. Can we talk about how the body stayed on? This clipless body seems to be holding on pretty good. Yeah, just came unplugged. Other than that, nothing broke on that hit. That was a hard hit. And like I said, the fact that the body's staying on is kind of crazy to me. Body hasn't come off at all, and that was a hard hit. If only I could hit this ramp good. Double. Yeah, once I hit this ramp right, it goes. I gotta figure that run up out. Run up out. Ooh, I tried to do a front flip, man. Me and front flips do not get along. Ooh, tried. This thing's a beast, dude. Let's give her a once over. Yes. I had to give it a little throttle to kind of help it, but I think we're on low voltage now. It's kind of hard to tell because it has so much juice. Just because it has so much power, it's kind of hard to tell when it's on low voltage. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does. Pretty sure it is. Let's give her a once over in the shop, but dude, this thing is completely badass. So far, just a quick look, no damage. This thing's just fun to drive, especially when you start getting used to the trigger control on it. That's the whole thing. I know a lot of guys want to go with the Creighton just because it's a longer wheelbase, a little flatter flying and stuff, but I kind of like the borderline uncontrollability of a short wheelbase truck, because once you get the hang of where the throttle should be and stuff, you can fly it flat if you want, or you can rotate on command and stuff. So like, I like the craziness with that. It just takes time and practice getting there. All right, let's throw her up on the bench, take a look at it. But dude, this thing's sick. So first glance, everything looks good. No broken arms. It took a couple of really hard hits. One decently clean front flip. Motor's a little warm, but not too bad. Dude, this thing is sick, bro. Yeah, just your normal scuffs and stuff, but dude, is that no cracks or nothing like that, dude? This thing is absolute beast mode. Absolute beast mode. So yeah, that was the second run with the Notorious 6S V6, and I gotta say, this clipless body staying on for that entire run, not coming off once, and that one hit was pretty hard, like pretty freaking hard, and it didn't budge, and it's not getting clogged with the sand that I have out here. Dude, they think sick. Absolutely sick. Yeah. Not a review yet, but thing's badass, man. It really is. Really badass. Like I said, I had that one break the first run, but dude, the way that hit, it hit front flip fail, hit the front, and like just straight up front tire impact, straight down. and rip the pin through the side. Like, come on, that's no fault to the truck, that's just bad driving. Again, I said it before, I've done it to pretty much every other brand you can think of. It happens when you do this kind of stuff to these trucks. I hope you guys were in frame for that, because again, my controller camera is saying that something's wrong with the card. Hopefully I don't lose the footage I did earlier today. So yeah, like and subscribe, more on this truck soon. And testing out some M2C goodies, prototype stuff for the Red Cat. Gonna run the not infraction, what is that? Typhon. We got to get the E-Revo back out. I ran that off camera. Dude, that truck is so much fun to drive. And I just got new parts for the Outcast 4S because somebody broke it, KGM. And yeah, I got some parts coming for the XRT. So we're getting after it again, boys. We're going to have a lot of fun.